In this video, I'll show you how to do complete SEO using just one prompt with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that right. We'll see how to write your video details in just one prompt. To show you how it works, I'll use a video I made about getting Microsoft Office for Windows. I'll walk you through the complete one prompt process in this video. Let's get started. If I ask ChatGPT to write a title for my video, however, the title didn't include important keywords, so it wasn't very useful. To fix this, I changed my prompt to write a suitable title between 85 to 100 characters. This helps create a strong, keyword-rich title. Next, we need a video description. Asking ChatGPT to write a YouTube video description usually gives a basic and less engaging description. To get better results, I'll improve my first prompt. Write a YouTube video description between 500 to 1,000 characters using all of the top searched keywords. This generates a more detailed and optimized description. Even though YouTube allows up to 5,000 characters, I stick to 500 to 1,000, so there's room for timestamps, hashtags, and other details. You can adjust this as needed. Let's move on to timestamps. Timestamps help viewers jump to different parts of the video. When I first asked ChatGPT to write timestamps for my video, I got too many, which wasn't practical. I'll edit my first prompt. Create chapter timestamps up to 5. This gave me exactly 5 useful timestamps. You can change this based on your needs. Next are video tags, which help your video appear in searches. At first, ChatGPT provided tags in a list format, but when pasted into YouTube, they merged into one keyword. To fix this, I'll modify my first prompt. Write the perfect YouTube video tags up to 500 characters separated by commas. This ensures the tags are formatted correctly for YouTube. Again, you can tweak this as needed. We need hashtags for the video description. If I simply ask ChatGPT for hashtags, it gives me too many that aren't useful. I'll tweak my older prompt. Provide the 15 most popular hashtags, separated by spaces. YouTube allows a maximum of 15 hashtags, so this prompt gets you the right amount in the correct format. Lastly, we need the thumbnail, so I'll make more changes to my older prompt. Write the suitable image-generating prompt for the following transcript. Now, go to the video you want to optimize. Click the link to open it, then go to the video description and click Show Transcript. Copy the transcript and paste it into ChatGPT in quotation marks, then hit Enter. ChatGPT will generate all the details based on your prompts. Then select and copy the image-generating prompt. Then go to your favorite browser and search for ideogram.ai. Then you'll see this interface. Here I click on Continue with Google. Then you can see I have successfully logged into Ideogram. Here, paste the copied prompt. Then select the aspect ratio 16:9. Keep Magic Prompt on. Then click on the Generate button. After a few minutes, you can see I have generated the thumbnail. Then I click here, and then I'll download this thumbnail. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the title, and paste it into your video title. Then again, go to ChatGPT, copy the description, and paste it into your video details. I'll do the same process with the other details. Then I click here and select the thumbnail that was generated with Ideogram. After that, I'll do the other process of uploading the video. That's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one.